Hello dear students, in our previous video we covered up to the second page of this story, and today in this video we will continue the story and start reading from something. I think Grand Central is growing like a tree, pushing out new corridor and staircases like roots. So it was the time when Charlie was lost and he was trying some new ways to get out of that label, but every time he was getting a new way and was unable to get out of that label. तो हर बार चार्ली एक नए रास्ते को ट्राई कर रहा था और हर बार वो खो जा रहा था। तो उसको ऐसा लगा कि जो सेंट्रल रेलवे स्टेशन है, ग्रैंड सेंट्रल रेलवे स्टेशन था, वो एक पेड़ की तरह बढ़ रहा था। जस्ट लाइक द रूट्स ऑफ अ ट्री ग्रो अंडर, सो अंडर द रूट। तो सिमिलरली वो रास्ते भी बढ़ रहे थे ग्रैंड सेंट्रल के लेवल के। There is probably a long tunnel that nobody knows about, feeling its way under the city right now, on its way to Times Square and maybe another to Central Park. And then Charlie thinks that there may be a long tunnel which may connect to the Times Square or to the Central Park under the city. तो चार्ली को लगता है कि वहाँ पे लंबी टनल हो सकती है जो टाइम्स स्क्वायर को और हो सकता है सेंट्रल पार्क को भी कनेक्ट करती हो, बट उसके बारे में किसी भी पर्सन को पता नहीं है। Nobody knows about that one. And maybe because for many people through the years, Grand Central has been an exit, a way of escape. Maybe that's how the tunnel I got into. And he thinks that there may be tunnel because for years so many people have escaped, so many people have taken exit from that Grand Central station, so there may be tunnel. तो कहता है कि वहाँ पे हाँ टनल तो हो ही सकती है, क्योंकि कई सालों से लोग यहाँ से एग्जिट ले रहे हैं और कई सालों से लोग escape भी कर रहे हैं, तो मे भी वहाँ पे टनल हो सकती है जिसके बारे में किसी को कोई पता नहीं है। But I never told to my psychiatrist friend about that idea. But Charlie never shared that idea that there may be some tunnel with his psychiatrist friend. The corridor I was in began, angling left and slanting downwards, and I thought that I was wrong, but I kept on walking. So the corridor in which Charlie was walking suddenly turned left, and it also the stairs were also moving downwards. That's why Charlie thought that he was going on the wrong way, but he continued his walking. तो इसीलिए चार्ली को लगता कि वो गलत रास्ते पे जा रहा था, क्योंकि वो जिस कॉरिडोर से जा रहा था वो अचानक से शार्प लेफ्ट टर्न हो गया था और स्टेयर्स डाउनवर्ड्स जा रही थी। तो उसको लगा कि वो गलत रास्ते पे जा रहा, लेकिन फिर भी वो आगे चलता रहा। All I could hear was the empty sound of my own footsteps, and I didn't pass a soul. Then I heard that sort of hollow roar ahead that means open space and people talking. So on the way through that corridor, no noise was made by anything, and it was only the footsteps of Charlie which were producing some noise and which was heard by Charlie. And after that, he heard some hollow roar, and he guessed that there is some open space and people are talking in that. तो उसके बाद चार्ली मूव करता है उस कॉरिडोर से। वहाँ पे कोई नहीं होता है, बिल्कुल कोई साउंड नहीं होती है, सिर्फ उसके पैरों के कदमों के चलने की साउंड होती है जिसको वो सुनता है। बट थोड़ी देर के बाद एक ऐसा उसको फील होता है कि आगे हॉलो स्पेस है और लोग वहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं। द टनल turned sharp left. I went down a short flight of stairs and came out on the third level at the Grand Central Station. तो उसके बाद में जो स्टेयर्स है वो टनल एकदम से शार्प लेफ्ट टर्न हो गई, और उसके बाद में चार्ली में वेंट ऑन, एंड देन ही रीच्ड एट द थर्ड लेवल। थर्ड लेवल पर चार्ली पहुंच गया। फिर क्या कहता है, फॉर जस्ट अ मोमेंट आई थॉट आई वॉज बैक ऑन द सेकेंड लेवल, बट आई सा द room was smaller. There were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and the information booth in the center was wood and old looking. Okay. So at first, when Charlie reached at the third level, he thought that he again came on the second level. But when he noticed the things closely, then he found out that the room was smaller than the second level, and there were fewer ticket windows and train gates, and there was some information booth at the center, and which was made of wood, and it was looking old fashioned. So these were some different things from the second level. That's why Charlie was sure that it was the third level. And the man in the booth wore green eyeshade and long black sleeve protectors. And the man, और वो व्यक्ति जो बूथ में बैठा था, वो ग्रीन आई शेड्स पहन के और स्लीवलेस प्रोटेक्टर्स पहने हुए था. द लाइट्स वर डिम एंड शॉर्ट ऑफ फ्लिकरिंग. तो उस लेवल पर द लाइट्स वर नॉट सो ब्राइट, दे वर डिम एंड दे वर ऑल्सो फ्लिकरिंग. देन आई सा वाई दे वर open flame gas lights, and then he observed that there were some open flame gas lights, and he also found the reason. There were brass spittoons on the floor, and across the station a glint of light caught my eye. So he further narrates that there were glass spittoons. It means the people, the vessel in which people spit. So they were made of brass, and across the station there was glint of light, which caught attraction of Charlie. तो ये सारी चीजें उसको श्योर कर देती हैं कि वो थर्ड लेवल पर है. A man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket. Then there was a man who was pulling out his wrist gold watch from his vest pocket. He snapped open the cover, glanced at his watch, and frowned. He wore a derby hat, a black 4-button suit with tiny laps, and he had a big black handlebar mustache. Okay, that man who was taking out his gold watch from his vest pocket, he took out the cover and looked at the watch, and then he became angry, frowned. And he was wearing a derby hat. एक derby hat पहना था जिसपे a black 4-button suit with tiny laps, और उसका एक black suit पहने हुए था जिसमें छोटे छोटे गैप के बाद 4 बटन लगे हुए थे, 4 buttons लगे हुए थे. And he had a big black handlebar mustache, and he had a long mustache which were very fashionable. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like 1890 something. I never saw so many beard, sideburns, and fancy mustaches in my life. Then he looked around and found that everything and everyone at that level was looking just like 1890, and he saw so many people were having fashionable moustaches, and that's why he mentioned that in his whole life, in his life of 31 year, he never saw so many people having beard, so many people having moustache. इतने ज़्यादा लोग दाढ़ी रखे हुए हैं, इतने ज़्यादा लोग माउस्टेज को रखे हुए हैं, उसने इतने लोगों को कभी नहीं देखा ऐसे. And a woman walked in through the train gate. She wore a dress with the leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the top of her high-buttoned shoes. Then he also saw a woman who was wearing high-button shoes, leg of mutton sleeves, skirts. It means the dress was just like 1890. So it was quite strange for him. Back of her, Out on the tracks, I caught a glimpse of a locomotive, a very small courier, Ives locomotive with a funnel-shaped stack, and then I knew. And at the back of him, he saw a locomotive, an engine, which was very small, small courier, and Ives locomotive with a funnel. So he saw two locomotives, which was small courier and Ives locomotive, and then he became sure. Then he, then I knew. It means he became sure. To make sure, I walked over the news lobby and glanced at the stack of paper at his feet. It was World, the World, and the World hasn't been published for years. So, for his further confirmation, he moved to the news lobby and at the foot he looked. There was some newspaper that was the World, and he knew very well that the World was not published for so many years. तो न्यूज़ लॉबी पर गया तो उसने देखा कि वहां पर एक न्यूज़पेपर था द वर्ल्ड, और वो ये भी जानता था कि द वर्ल्ड बहुत सालों से पब्लिश नहीं हो रहा था. द लीड स्टोरी सेड समथिंग अबाउट प्रेसिडेंट क्लीवलैंड. I found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. So the lead story in that newspaper was telling something about President Cleveland, and that news he found in the library, public library files on 11 June 1894. So all these things which are present at that label were enough for making sure Charlie that it was the third label. So today in this video up to this much, and in next class we will continue our story and we'll finish it soon. So watch this story from the beginning till end, and thank you for watching.